Yes, sir.
Now tell me, we are posting the down payment. Should budget consume or not? Budget is consumed. Which purpose it should consume? Can you tell? You are paying payment to vendor. Okay, you are making payment to advance. Like which GL account you will use? Hmm? GL account you will use?
Special GL outgoing payment.
Outgoing. Will it use and outgoing with the budget consumption? Is it required?
No.
I mean, sir, if it is a down payment, right? Your question is whether is it asking checking budget or not? Correct, sir.
Hmm.
In the down payment request, budget, I guess, sir, should not. I mean, consume, sir.
Exactly. Correct. It should not consume the budget. Why? Because I will show you. Let's say, first of all, we can create the one accounting group. Okay.
Mm.
And we can create the one vendor account group. OBD3 or B3. And I will show you I have activated few things yesterday in the S4HANA. Like here I will show you, but certain things not working in the grant management. Okay, in the grant management, I have transferred the budget from grant management to funds management, and those things I have transferred. But I think there are the functionality. This is a dummy system, right? There may be certain issues. And let's see, and I will show you in this for HANA ECC difference. Okay, yesterday I have activated that functionality. Let's see, you can see in the ECC it is working fine, and I will show. Okay, and now you can create what is our Godrej. Okay, Godrej and okay. Just I'm creating one group under group in the FICO, you know, right? Very well. Like I'm taking the reconciliation account as a mandatory, and just you can save. And I will take this one. Okay, this is the first step we need to do. And create vendor account group call. You know, right? And the FICO, like how to create this vendor group, those things you know, right? Tim? Hello? Like number ranges, this vendor groups, so you know, right? How to create?
Yes, yes.
Yet number range is for under scan one. I think there is you can use, I think is okay. G3. Okay, we can utilize this one. Nobody, no one did not use this one. Just you can take. I'm going to assign OBES. Sorry, I will take this number range first. Okay. Sorry. Okay. G3. It's all. It. Okay. Now I have created the vendor account groups. Next, what should I do? ECC, we will create the vendor master separately. But in S4HANA, we will create like BP. Okay, there is a BP transaction. Okay, these things I will show you we can do and one implementation in the S4HANA, and I will show you those things. let's see, and just you can go and we can complete until the and earmark funds, okay? Until earmark funds and it is working fine. There is a no issue in ECC. So then and grant management we can do next for Anna. I will show. And now I am going to create the like separately and vendor master. What is the T code? And we need to create the vendor master T code is XK01. Yeah. Create vendor master. Create vendor master T code XK01. Now you can see here I will give company code. This is Godrej and here account group I have created and Godrej. Godrej I have to create and company and take Godrej vendor. Okay. City, take certain things and you can and reconciliation account we need to assign. Okay. Here now reconciliation account is created. What will you do? Just to go to FS 00. I will create in the reconciliation vendor is the what is a reconciliation? It is a liability account, balance sheet, vendor reconciliation, and vendor reconciliation to here. And you can give vendor 001 line item display. And here I will show and reconciliation account I have created. And I need to create one more reconciliation special GL. Okay, advance payment related. And just I will create one more reconciliation for in the special GL down payment purpose. Let's you can take and the reference from 1002 special GL. Okay. This is also one reconciliation. I have created two reconciliations, one in the vendor reconciliation and one that is a special advanced reconciliation account. Just I am assigning here like a vendor reconciliation account first. Just I am taking vendor reconciliation and a cash account and just you can take and save. Now it has been created one vendor account. Okay, vendor master. This is a number has been created. Next, what is our step? We need to configure the special GL indicators and create special GL indicator configuration in SAP FM. Sorry, yeah, SAP FICO T code. What is a T code? We need to set up. T code is OBYR.
FBK.
Huh? Which one? OBYR. I am asking FICO. Okay. Here you have to set up the down payment request. Let's see, I'm taking the payment request and this is Godrej and I have created the one GL account. That is, you can see, just I'm going. What is our GL? It's in the down payment vendor reconciliation 122. Opposite is 133. This is the first step. You have to do indicator F. This is a down payment request. And how can you know this down payment request opposite indicator? How can you find out? You can find out there is a properties like you can see opposites target special GL indicator F. Target is one is A, I, M. You can utilize. Okay. Always indicator 39. Okay. Credit is 39, debit is 29. These things you know in the very well in the FICO level. And now again, and you need to set up the indicator opposite. I am taking A. Okay. Down payments. Here also you need to set up the same configuration 1002 and you can take 1003 and A opposite. What are the A opposite? Let's see here, and there are the no targets. Okay, A opposite, we don't have any, and opposite, no issue. And now we can take this screenshot also, and you can configure same way. And the next thing, you can tell me what should we do. We have to create the funds master like commitment item, and there is a cost center. Those things also we can create, we can assign. Okay, and just you can go to FMSA, create the fund center. What will you assign here? Create fund center T code. What is the T code? T code is FMSA. Here you will create the one fund center. Just I am create like the reconciliation, I will use only dummy. Okay, just you can create a one dummy reconciliation. Okay, already there. Dummy one for vendor down payment. Vendor down payment purpose, I am using down payment company code. This company code you can take, and here this is the like a dummy one I have created. Okay. Just you can observe what I'm doing. Let's you can create this one. This is the first step. Create one. Create commitment item for vendor down payment record FM CIA. Just you can go. You can create the commitment item FMCIA. Now you can see I will create one dummy one. This is also like you can see what I will put. Yeah, and now you tell me financial transaction, what should I take here? The financial transaction dummy purpose, what will you take? Here you need to take, like which one you will take? The post
90,
revenue
sir. 90,
here and do 60 or 70. Which one?
16, 70.
Yeah, 60 we can take. Why? Because this doesn't consume the budget. 60 is a
And sir, in case of expense, uh, okay, in this commitment item, we can apply in the expense GL as well, those not required to consume the budget. Or,
correct. Yes, we can.
I
But
mean,
and
all
but there is a question. When you are creating the like a normal invoice, vendor invoice, during that time it should consume the budget. But I will assign separate commitment item to the GL account, expenditure GL. Okay. Let's see how will I assign. Just you can see, you can observe what I'm doing. Let's I will take here and balance revenues, expenditure balance. Which one you will take here? The budget should not consume for reconciliation. Just I'm taking the here. I'm not taking the expenditure. You can take the like here and the balance. What happened? Let's see. Doesn't work the balance. It is a cash holding related. Let's say that take the revenue. Revenues doesn't calculate the funds management concept. Well, because we are not using funds management level revenues. Why we are not using grant management level? We have the revenue concept. Okay, funds management level you don't have. So that's why I'm taking the 60 plus 2. Let's you can see just I'm saving. Okay, just I have saved and that is dummy also. Now tell me what should I do next step? What is our next concept? Create the derivation rule. Create derivation rule. T code. What is the T code? FM deriver. What is the T code? FM deriver. Just you can go to FM deriver, give the like our derivation strategy. Here you need to assign first of all, what is our Godrej? Tell me what is the GL account I have created. One is 1002. And what I have created the commitment item. You have to take here in the dummy. And there is one more GL account I have created 1003. Here I will assign. You can see same GL account I will assign, same commitment item, and just to save, click on save. Now you can go, sorry, you can take this screenshot. And next, what is our concept? You need to assign, second step is cost center to fund center. That is a concept you have to do. Just to go back, cost center link to fund center. What I created? Cost center. Have I created any cost center? Otherwise, we can use, there is a dummy cost center. There is a dummy cost center we have. We can assign the now just before we created the one like dummy. This is a dummy vendor reconciliation purpose I have created. Okay, it is showing, okay, already this dummy is using, why are using the same? Okay, just I will create the one cost center. Just I'm going to case 01. I will put, and here down payment dummy. Okay. Here I will create dummy down payment, and here take hierarchy, no currency. We can take like, just I created the one DP dummy. Same thing we can assign to the FM derive level. Let's see how it happened. Just you can go, here assign DP dummy, DP dummy. Now it was okay. Now we have one bank clearing account. Okay, we need to create the one bank clearing account. That one also we should assign dummy GL account. How will you do? Go to FL00, create and the one and 4. Like here you can take assets, balance sheet. It is the bank clearing out. Okay, like you can take, and if you need any bank name, you can put out that bank name, and here you can put the 001, and here you can put here G005, can put and save. And there is one more thing need to update. What is that? You have to enable the clearing always. Okay, open item management. Okay, this is a mandatory. Next, you can create the one commitment item per this GL account clearing purpose. And just I will take this one into bank clearing. Creation S00. Just I'm going to create the one commitment item. Just to go to FMCIA. Here I will create bank clearing. Okay. And just I will put be clearing. And here I will take, what can I take here? Clearing. Okay. Just I'm taking the clearing. What will happen? We can see clearing I am taking. And here also I am taking the, like here, clearing always revenue or expenditure balance. Like if you take the balance not working, then what will you take here? And balance not working, balances. This is also not working. Then what will you take? You can take the revenues. Okay. Let's, you can say in the clearing and it is taking the revenue, then it is allowing to do. Now this GL account I will assign to this commitment item, and you can see in the go to FM deriver again, just you can go back and let's, you can assign here GL account. This is Godrej, and the GL account I have what I created. Let's, I have created the, and like yeah, and what I created be clear. This one also I have created. Now tell me how to create the down payment. What is the T code? We will create down payment process. We have set up the all GL accounts. Next, we need to do down payment request is F-47. Create down payment request equal F-47. Okay. Now you can see, just I'm closing this all screens. You can see, just you can give the date 19/11/2025, and what is the vendor account number? You don't know. Let's see, and the vendor account number, this was created. And what will you take here? Down payment request. You have to take the A. Okay. If I give this here and here, you will get the okay number ranges missing. Just you can create the number ranges. What is the T code? FBN1, and you can give Godrej. And this is our company code, and I will take 17th number range 2025 and 17 cities to 179999. You can take and save. Now, just to try to create the down payment. Let's see which type of the errors we will receive. Will budget consume or not? Let's see. You can take here. You can see indicator A. It is asking. Just you can give A indicator. Let's take, and I am taking around 1 million. Okay, due date, and I will take in today 19/11/2025. Now just you can try to click on save. Okay, document was posted, and here you can see it was created down payment request. Next, what is the step we will you do? Create down payment T code. What is a T code? Down payment dash 48. We can take the same request number and we can create one down payment. Go to F-48 and I will give date 19/11/2025, and here I will give my vendor account number. Just you can take this is vendor account number and special indicator A. Bank account you can take, like just before I created one bank clearing account I'm taking. I don't take any amount. Let's what I will do, go to request. Okay, number range missing 15. Go to ABN1 and create the like in the financial number range 15. Okay, and go to 2025, and here you can update 999. Now save. Okay, number range is saved. Now you can go, you can try to do the request, and here it is asking the value date for the GL. Let's you can see here, you can see this is a down payment request. Just to select this down payment request, create down payment. And what will you do? You need the one credit line for the clearing purpose. This down payment, advance payment purpose. You have to do additional items. You can give credit always in the bank account. You can give the GL account for and create and the down payment. And you can say, I will go to simulate. And now you can say this Godrej is vendor getting the debit, bank clearing out as credit 1 million. Let's try to post. Okay, document was posted. There is a no budget checking. Why it is not checking? Why? Because you can see there are the like nothing is coming. Like even it is not checking the budget. Why? Because both are the vendor or reconciliation always we will use like dummy. Okay, vendor reconciliation doesn't consume the budget, and bank clearing also doesn't consume any budget. You will assign to dummy. That's why it is not consuming any budget, the down payment process. And just you can take, this is a down payment. Next, next you can check there is an environment document and accounting document. Let's see, there is a no funds management document generated. Why it is not generating in the financial FIC level? Doesn't consume the any budget. Like when you will create the purchase order with the down payment, during that time it will consume or not. Let's see, I will show you there is a one experiment we will do the integration level. We can see next what is our process. We can create the one normal invoice. Go to F-48, sorry, F-43. Okay, just you can create the normal vendor invoice. Create normal vendor invoice. T code. What is the T code? F-43. I will give end date 19/11/2025, and I will go here. I will give this is vendor number, and the number is 19 is missing. Just to go to APN1, you can give Godrej, and you can update like here 1925. Let's say 19 series and give. Just you can update. Just you can go here. I will take the 19, and here I will give 1.5 million. Okay, 1.5 million. Now tell me, debit GL, what should I take here? Huh? Expenditure purpose. I need to take one like GL account expenditure GL. We can utilize existing one, or can we create new one? There are the and we have like a lab equipment like that. We can create the one GL. You can create the one GL account. Go to FS00, and I will create like 2,2. Okay, expenditure like here expenses, and here which one we are purchasing from vendor. Like you can take microscope. Okay, microscope scope. Just you can go here. I can take, and here 001, and line item. Go to here. You can take as a J004. This is a cost expenditure related. That's why I have taken the 2002. This GL account I have created. Next, what should I create? I need to create one center. I will create, and here department health. Okay, health department. Okay. Just I will create health plus. Okay, we can put health plus department, and here I will give a company code, and this is the fund center. Next, I will create one commitment item. Here is a microscope. You can create this commitment item. Here you can take this is expenditure, and this is expenditure related. Now it budget should consume. Why? Because I created the commitment item and fund center. Next, I will create the one cost center also for this one. Just I will create, and health. Yes. Just I will give here, and health department, not John. Okay. So, department, not John. Personal responsible, and authorized currency, and you can take and save. Next, what will you do? Again, you can go to trim deriver. You can assign here Godrej, and here GL account. What is Godrej? And GL account I have created one GL account 2002. And what is our commitment item is, you can see here we need to take microscope. This is our and commitment item. Next, there is the cost center link with the fund center, and what I created the fund center. Fund center I have linked with the health plus, and I need to take the cost center. What should I take here? Health plus. Okay, both things I have to take. Save it. Next, you can try to create the now normal invoice for the down payment. Let's I'm taking the 2002. This is a GL account. Let's I will give 1.5. Cost center is I have created. What is the cost center I created? And you can see health place I have created. And here you can say, oh, okay, this should be G cost element. Then I'm going to create the KO01 in the ECC and S4 HANA directly create into, where will you create? We create in the GL master level directly this cost elements. Like I will show that system also. Okay, clearly I will explain the things. And just I will go back to, just go back and F dash 43 and I can give the vendor. This is amount and go to 40. I will take microscope. Okay. Now let's see and what would be taken microscope. This is the commitment item automatically taken. Based on that, just I'm going to do the simulation. Okay. What happened? Okay. Going to click on save while training. Okay. This is annual budget exceed. Okay. We are getting, I think there is a warning message. That's why we are getting go to SPRO reference IMJ and go to and public sector. You can go to funds management, government, budget control system, availability control, define tolerance profiles. Let's see. This is our like in the profile. Here I given as a like error we need to put. There is a warning message. That's why getting warning. Okay. Now you can see. Now you can try to do. Just try once again. Like which error you will get. Document is posted. Okay. Now change that error. Okay. That's why now you can say this is a like 1.5 million. Just I'm going to accounting document. Now you can see here it was created the funds management document. Okay. Open this funds management document. This is a document number it was created. So here actually we should get the budget error, but previous it was warning that was stuck in. Okay, that's why we did not get it. This is a 1.5 million. Like now, just I'm going to clear the down payment. Go to F dash 54. What is the transaction? And just you can, oh, okay, I will take this one. F dash 43. Take this document number. Now you can see there is a down payment clearing account. What is the T code? T code is F-54. We can go to F-54. Like we can create. This is a vendor and how this is in my normal invoice. Okay. This one I need to create with the down payment account. Just process down payments. Let's see how much is different. There is showing only 1 million and you can simulate what is showing here and vendor to vendor transfer. Now you can see there is a only as a down payment transferring from Godrej vendor to Godrej vendor from like down payment to normal vendor. It is transferring. Let's you can take test and I am going to post. It was clear and the down payment it was converted to normal invoice. Let's you can go. You can see the accounting document. There is a no accounting document generated. Now you can do next step clearing vendor clearing account. The code is F-53. Okay, just you can go to F-53. Just you can go F-53 and I will give same date and I am going to create here down payment converted into normal invoice. What is the difference? Let's see. I will take the what is a GL account. We can take in the bank out clearing GL. Next, you need to take the open item management, and here you can see and go to process open items. Let's you can say there is a date, and I will give and go to process open item. Missing the table. Okay, this is missing means there is a tolerance issue. Go to OB3, A3, and maybe here at maybe issued that vendor not updated in the tolerance level. That is the issue. And here you need to Godrej, okay, Godrej tolerance limit and save. Now you can try to execute. Now you can say there is around and that down payment and the converted to normal and the 1 million, and we posted around is a 1.5. Now which one we need to clear? Both things we need to clear, like and here down payment is 1, and what is the difference? 14, 1.4. Why? Okay, this is 1.5 CR, not a 15 lakhs. Yeah, 1.5 CR. This is a 10 lakhs means so there is a difference is around 1.4 CR. Just go to charge of difference. Okay, click on this charge of difference. Let's assign as a and the 50, and what is the 50? Vendor would be debit, bank would be credit, 1.4 CR. Okay, 1.4 CR. Date is around, you can take. Here is the 19th. Can take. Just to go to simulate. Now I will try to post. Okay, just to try to post. It was clear. Okay, now invoice total create clear. Okay. You can say there is no down payment information we did not receive. Now tell me next, just we can create the normal invoice, normal vendor invoice without down payment. Create normal vendor invoice. The code is F-43. Let's see which error we will receive. We will get error now. Why? Because just before we converted that available key control error with warning with error. Okay, normal vendor twice. Here you can give vendor, and I will take 1 and million, and 40 is I am buying like micro scope. Okay, just you can take this one and 1 million, and you can give and cost center. Try to simulate. Now you can try to save. What is error? You are getting 1.6 crores. Why you are getting? Previous we posted around 1.4 CR. Okay, along with the 1.5 CR just before we posted before availability control change, and now this 1 million also adding total 1.6 CR is required for this Microsoft commitment item to this health fund center, and it is asking need the payment budget. Okay, payment budget it is asking. Just I am going to do FMBBC, and let's see, and I will give budget and here, and I will take the commitment post, uploading the budget, and it is the P1. What is the fund center? Let's you can give the version 0. Just I will give here fund center. Upload, you need to upload budget, otherwise system doesn't allow health department, and you need to take commitment item, the microscope 1.7 CR. Okay, just you can take 336. Okay, just I'm taking. Now I will go to save. Okay, document was created. Next, create by reference. Again, what should we do? You have to release. Here also we need to release, and here also budget type also you need to do release. Then commitment budget was clearly released. Next I am going to create by reference. Next I will do budget. I will do again payment budget upload. Again, I need to do in the payment budget, and I need to upload first. You can save. Now again, I go to here, just in the release, concept is released. And here also in the payment budget, how to put the release, how to do the release, click on save. Now I have created the budget. Okay. So when I'm posting the normal invoice, upload vendor, upload center and commitment budget in FMABC. Just you can take. Now you can see, you can go here, like here it was updated. Next, what will you do? Just you need to check the report. Go to accounting tab, public sector, funds management. There is a budgeting, budget control system. Sorry, not a budget control system, information system, total records, budget control system, availability control. Let's see, you can check what is a fund center, the health department, right? Let's you can take health place and just execute. What is the budget? Available amount is this one, and consumed previous, it was consumed around. This is a budget consumed previous before we change it to warning to error, that was consumed. Total budget is 1.7 CR and consumed already 1.5 previous, and before doing this parts budget upload, and there is availability, so 22 millions available. And next you need to check, how will you find out? Go to APM CR01. Here also you may be find out your budget, like I will take only specific, like on center. You can take health department wise. Go to here. Let's you can see available budget is showing as a 20, okay, 2 million, 20 lakhs available. Let's how will you find out? Microsoft. This is a health. Okay, here is 1.5 CR already consumed. How it was consumed? How can you find out? Let's double click on this. This is a 1.5 CR you have posted, and just before vendor invoice, like previous availability control change from warning to error. During that time it was posted. That's why it is showing 1.5 CR. Now I am going to do this entry posting. This is 1 million. I am trying to post. Just again, I am trying to simulate. And just I am going to simulate this 1 million for this vendor. Just I am trying to do the annual budget already exhausted. How much? And you can see, just you can try to go to F dash 43 again and try to the normal invoice. Okay. And 1 million 40 you can take here. Let's say 1 million, and here you can, sorry, you can take it. Just go to simulate, try to post. Here, why you are getting this error? Hmm? Even it is checking 2 million into like around 90%. It is checking. There is availability control. Let's, you can go SPRO, and here public sector, funds management, government, budget control system, availability control, edit tolerance limit, and here you can see around 90% it is asking, means current budget calculator. Let's take here 2 million is available. Okay, 2 million budget is available into 90% by 100. It is expecting it should be available at around 1.8 CR. Okay, it is asking. Okay, currently how much is available, and there is a 2 million, and but it is asking 1.8 CR. What is it? 1.8. This is a 10 lakhs. And what is the budget available? Just to go to FMAV CR01, take fund center. Here you can see only 20 lakhs. Okay. Yeah. And calculator, why it is calculating by 100, sorry. Right? Yeah. Just a minute. Calculator. $2 million into 520 by 1.8 CR. No, this is not correct. And yeah, for example, we can try to 1.8 lakhs. Okay, 1.8 million should be required. It is asking. Let's see, and I will take 2 lakhs. Okay, just I will take this amount as a 2 lakhs. Let's see, we can try 2 lakhs. Okay, this is the first line. Second line also I will take the 2 lakhs. Just I'm going to simulate and I will try to post what happened. Let's see, it was posted. Means around and 90% is asking again in the budget. 90% budget should be available. Remaining budget you may post the transaction. It is asking. So that's why, and there is a error. Like you are giving, for example, there is more than 90% you are utilizing means 1 million means how much? 50% you are utilizing. If you are using the same 50%, then you will get the error and due to availability control setup. Just I will try to do how much is available. This now you can see around and 1.8 million is available. And now you can see around and yeah, this budget was consumed. Just to double click on this line. Here you can see I have posted and 2 lakhs just to report. This is the entry we posted. This is a process of the normal entry posting. And now you can ask and what are the doubts you have? Let's tell me, we can clear those doubts. Okay. Yeah, Tim, any doubt in this vendor process? Hmm? Like in the down payment process, it is not asking any budget. But if we are posting the just normal invoice, it is asking the budget. Why it is asking? Why? Because we are using the expenditure GL account. We are purchasing that expenditure GL account from vendor, like expenditures product from the vendor. That's why it is asking. So in the vendor process level, do you have any doubts? Just you can confirm. We can finish.